Welcome to Expedition 57 on board the International Space Station. Today we're doing some really cool science. This is Alex Gerst over here with me, and we are working on Parkinson's disease. What we're looking at here.
Parkinson's disease is a progressive brain disorder that causes movement problems, stiffness, and tremors. It's a neurodegenerative disease that affects the central nervous system. The disorder is caused by the loss of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain. It leads to the motor symptoms like tremors, stiffness, slowness of movement, and balance issues, as well as non-motor symptoms such as cognitive decline, mood disorders, and sleep problems. Dopamine plays a vital role in regulating the movement of body. A reduction in dopamine is responsible for many of the symptoms of the Parkinson's disease. Exactly what causes the loss of nerve cells is unclear. Most experts think that a combination of genetic and environmental factors is responsible. In an effort to help people with Parkinson's on the Earth, the Michael J. Fox Foundation is taking its research off the planet to the International Space Station, ISS. Leveraging microgravity conditions on the ISS National Lab, the Michael J. Fox Foundation aims to crystallize the LRRK2 protein, which is associated with the development of Parkinson's disease. Crystals grown in microgravity are often larger and more well-ordered than crystals grown on Earth. Space-based studies could help researchers better understand the structure of LRRK2, which could help advance drug development for Parkinson's disease.
Welcome to Expedition 57 on board the International Space Station. Today we're doing some really cool science. This is Alex Gerst over here with me, and we are working on Parkinson's disease. What we're looking at here is a special protein kinase, or protein crystal structure. And the reason scientists have sent it up here to the International Space Station is because these protein crystals tend to grow larger and of much better quality. Parkinson's is a disease that affects over 5 million people worldwide, and scientists are constantly searching for a cure. And what we discovered was that here in the microgravity environment, these crystals really like to grow. So if scientists can better elucidate or clarify the structure, then they're better able to develop an inhibitor drug for Parkinson's. And not only an inhibitor drug, but an inhibitor drug with very few side effects. So what Alex is doing here today is he's obviously working on the wall, is what it seems like here in microgravity, and he is. He's got a microscope above him, and he's got a plate that he filled with this special protein crystal structure just a few days ago. Gave time for those structures to crystallize, and now he's examining them under the microscope. And he's actually interacting real time with the principal investigator on the ground to look at the crystal structure, to help improve the lighting and the clarity, and then also take pictures, which will then be sent back down to the ground. So here on board Expedition 57, we're very proud to be taking part in this experiment. I think in the past few years, scientists have realized that the microgravity environment is such a unique environment to grow things like cells or protein crystals. And it provides a new way to help us look at diseases in a better way, to help us develop new medications for these diseases. And so we're happy to be taking part in this science up here.